Big brown trout. It goes away. So definitely this is the good bait for trout. Let's try to catch this big brown. Let's try here. We will let it sink. Okay, we have something. I think it is grass. Oh, no, it's nothing. Okay. And nothing. Let's drag here. Oh. It was nothing. Only grass. Oh, we got fish. Yep. Nice. Whoa. He goes away. Yeah. Today I think, oh, grass, yeah. I think today it's water level. It's higher than these days. Last time when I was here, the bike was laying down there inside the grass, waiting for his spray. Okay, let's go further. Guys and girls, I'm sorry for my bad English. I don't speak very good, but I think you'll understand something. It's not my native language. Guys and girls, that be it for today. We had something. It's better something than nothing, right? See you soon. Bye.